Hi, this is Mark from Painter's Voyage, and I'd like to show you my new softbox. Let's dive right into unpacking it. Okay, bulbs, tripod, I'm guessing a reflexive cone and a diffuser, and the lighting unit itself. It's pretty straightforward. There are tightening knobs where they should be, and so far it feels quite rigid. Awesome! The diffuser will be attached by velcros. Now some technical facts. This one draws 45 watts of power, is rated for 220 volt sockets, and shines at 5500 Kelvin, which is very close to natural daylight color. At this point, I'm tightening the reflexive cone so that no light escapes from the back. Be careful with those bulbs and don't touch the glass. They might break as you tighten them. The diffuser fits snugly. I would call it mission accomplished. And here's a pic of my first posing model, before and after.